Hey candle enthusiasts! Let's dive into the fun world of candle making with silicone molds. Silicone molds are the superheroes of candle crafting, versatile and reusable. And guess what? Acrylic molds bring that see-through magic. From DIY molds to unexpected items like cake molds, the candle-making world is full of surprises. Craft the perfect candle concoction with wax, fragrance, and a splash of color. Your imagination's the limit. Treat your molds right, and they'll stick around for more candle-making adventures. Want to upgrade your candle game? Explore our silicone and acrylic candle molds for some creative sparks. It's not just about making candles, it's about creating magic, one candle at a time.